Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, the alphabets of A. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use yellow color, the alphabets of B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use black color, Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D, and use green color, Kids now draw numbers, and first you draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color, O N E 1. Kids now draw 2, the numbers of 2, and use yellow color, T W O 2. Kids now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use black color, T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4, the numbers of 4, and use green color, F O U R 4, the numbers of 4. Sorry kids, mistake, the numbers of 4, F O U R 4. Kids today draw A, B, C, D numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.